This YouTube channel has created over $15,000 by uploading these simple and easy motivational videos just using AI tools. You can start this niche without any experience, fancy editing skills, and you don't have to pay a single penny for AI voices, scripts, or visuals just using your mobile. There are 4 steps for creating these types of videos. Step 1. Generating an idea and script for your video. As for the idea, I would suggest starting off by relying on proven concepts, meaning you take inspiration from other videos that are performing well on YouTube. For example, I will take the inspiration from reference video with 1 million views. 7 things you should do every morning. To generate the script, we will use best AI tool available right now, ChatGPT. So let's create an engaging script for our stoicism video. Head over to ChatGPT and copy the secret prompt. I will paste this secret prompt in the description. What you will need to do, however, change this part of the prompt according to your topic. If you want a free guide on how to monetize your channel before 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, then click on the link in the description. Step 2. Now we have the script, we will generate AI voice. For this you can use Best AI Voice over Tool 11 Labs. So just sign up for free account and head over to Voice Library. Here you can listen to a bunch of voices suitable for your video. Now click on Text to Speech. Select the language and voice. I will choose Marcus, that is labeled with authoritative and deep voice. Let's listen to the voice.
Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love.
Wow, that is completely perfect. Now paste the script that we have created from ChatGPT and then press generate. I will give the link of 11 Labs is in the description, go check it out. Step 3. Now we will get black and white image clips for our video. For this you can use any AI tool that provides high quality images. I will use Playground.io to get the images. To generate the images you can write the prompts according to your requirements. First we will get some normal black and white images of our stoic character. You can also use your creativity, like you can tell it to give some images with lion or multiple stoic characters or stoics sitting on a chair. Now we have our script, voiceover, and images. We will head over to step 4, editing the video. In this step you will compile and edit your video on CapCut. You can also use InShot or other software for editing. CapCut is easy to use for beginners and used by the most. So I will use CapCut for editing the video. Go to CapCut, click on New Project. Now select your voiceover and images. Now add some effects and animations to make the video more engaging and interesting. I will add black flash and some other nature effects. You can play with this until you make the final product. Add some non-copyright music from Pixabay for free. You will also have to add captions without subtitles for these videos you're done for. Since the video does not consist of much video footage, we need to engage the viewer with text. For this, go to text and click the auto captions. Now edit the captions. I usually place the captions in the middle, then we're going to change the style of the text. Click the style and the fonts. Elegant will be suitable for this video, so we will select it. Now go to Style Strokes and choose silver or gray color. This will make our subtitles more attractive. We have edited our video. Now take a look at the final product.
Begin your day with a period of mindful meditation. Allocate 10 to 15 minutes to sit in silence. Focus on your breath and clear your mind of distractions. This practice centers your thoughts, promotes mental clarity, and prepares you to face the day's challenges with a calm and focused demeanor. By starting the morning with meditation,
export the video and start getting those easy views. Now drop a like and a comment if you want more videos like these, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.